Saturday. Walang pasok ngayon si baby. By the way, sa lahat ng mga nakapanood ng mga videos ko, thank you so much. At sa mga nakasubscribe na sa aking channel, maraming salamat. At kung ikaw ay bago dito sa aking channel, pwede ka rin mag-subscribe. You are welcome. Thank you guys. Nandito na kami ngayon sa sasakyan. Pupunta kami sa Athlone. Athlone is part of Ireland. At hindi ko sure kung anong part, like east or west, something like that. Pero pupunta kami ngayon sa Athlone kasi maraming castles doon at saka may malaking river at saka may mga churches. So baby is in the back. Hi baby.
Hi.
Good boy. And my man is here.
Hi.
So see you. Hi guys. Before kami pupunta sa aming pupuntahan, i-check muna namin yung yung gulong namin for safety. Yan yung car namin at saka yan yung ko boyfriend nag-check ng tires. So eto, dito kami ngayon sa filling station ng Monahan. Apple Green yung tawag nila. Nyo ba na libre lang yung dito? Pahangin ng tires. Kung sa Pilipinas may bayad, 'di ba? Pero dito libre lang, oh. Libre lang dito, guys. Walang bayad, libre lahat. Papunta na kami sa Athlone. Natatapos na namin na-check yung tires namin. At saka
We're on our way to Athlone. It's gonna be a fun day out.
Goodbye, Hickson. See you there! First town that we are going to pass through Athlone. Ang tawag ng town na to ay Clones. Maliit lang siya. May pubs, at saka may hotel, mga Bank of Ireland, may big cathedral doon. Ganyan yung mga bahay dito. Europe style talaga. Europe nga dito. Pub, maliit lang. Huh? So, see you in the next town. Update. Nandito pa rin kami sa road. Still on a journey to Athlone. I think it will be like 1 hour and 20 minutes. So, we'll keep you updated. See you there. Dito pa rin kami sa sasakyan, hindi pa kami nakarating sa Athlone. Still on the road. At syempre, may magandang araw. The sun is out. Ito yung gusto namin. You like the sun, yeah?
It's very nice today. So nice. 18 degrees.
Wow, 18 degrees. 18 degrees lang. Hi Hi, baby! You just woke up? Baby had a short nap. Nakatulog ng konti. Papakita ko sa inyo ang around dito sa aming dinadaanan. Kaya, see you in Athlone. Welcome to the next town. Ang tawag nila dito sa town na to ay Granard. Ang makikita nyo ay ganito lang, small village. Eskwelahan. Yan, yung eskwelahan nila dito. I don't know if that is a boy or girl's school. Yan. So may mga maliliit na shops. Mayroon silang ano dito, cathedral or some, para sa akin para siyang cathedral, pero sa kanila dito ano lang to, chapel, hotel.
This is Granard.
This is Granard, yes. What do you think?
It's nice, small, nice. I think that's
Chapel?
community gardens in front or something. Bye bye Granard.
Bye bye, Granard. We will see you in the next town. Having a snacks on the road. Kumakain ako ng macarons. Nice. Baby is having biscuit too.
So nice.
So, yan lang yung update. We're still not there. Update ako mamaya. Town na naman. Tayo. Hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan ng town na ito. Pero, naghahanap pa ako kung anong pangalan nito. I don't think. Pero ito lang yung makikita nyo. Maliliit na pubs, maliit na shop, ganyan, maliit na mga tao, charger. May supermarket dyan.
Maybe we'll say the name here.
Okay.
Georgetown, is it?
I don't know.
Georgetown.
Georgetown. Tawag nila dito, Georgetown at daw. Hindi ko alam. Papasok tayo sa isa na namang village. Ang tawag nito ay Carrickboy. Carrickboy.
It's very small.
It's very small. All you can see is houses and
Filling
small.
station and a shop.
Yeah, shop. Yeah, ito lang.
Bye bye, Carrickboy.
Bye bye Carrickboy. Ang ganda doon, no? Oh.
40 shades of green. Ireland is all green.
Yes.
Yes.
Bagong village na naman tayo. Balimahon ang tawag nito. Ganyan yung mga houses nila.
It's like a football stadium now.
Oh, yeah. Ganyan yung mga bahay nila. Balimahon ang tawag nito. It's like a, is it a, for the,
cows,
oh, okay.
sheep, pigs.
Akala ko, bull riding. I thought it's a bull riding.
No. Athlone is left. This is
Oh, we're almost there. Small. Interesting.
every town has pubs and bars,
Yes.
especially in Ireland.
Yeah.
Nice up there. This way. Yeah, you see it? It's nice.
Yeah, it's nice.
Jade's pub.
Ano din dito yung Chinese. Popular dito sa Ireland yung Chinese restaurants, Chinese food.
Every town has a chapel or church.
Yan na naman, mayroon na naman tayong chapel.
Irish
Nakikita.
flag.
Is that the France?
France. Yeah, looks like France.
I can see the river.
Big water tower.
Water tower. Ano ba to? Nakikita ko na ang river. Sorry guys, hindi niyo nakikita kasi dinadaanan lang namin siya. Pero, makikita nyo actually yan later on sa Athlone.
Old-fashioned house.
Yan.
It's nice here.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Maganda dito guys. This is our really first time in here. Nandito pa rin kami sa sasakyan. Alam nyo, si baby, napaka-bait niya talaga. Very good siya dyan sa likod. Hindi talaga siya nag-iyak. Behave lang siya. Very good child. And we are traveling now almost 2 hours and still he's very good. He's just on his mind. Napakaganda talaga dito guys. Gusto ko dito. Tahimik. Nadaan naman tayo sa panibagong village. Ang tawag nito ay Moivor.
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 It's just a little village. So
Maliit lang siya.
if you blink, you can miss it. Don't blink.
Ito nagpapatawa. Ballimore is the next village.
So small.
na kami sa Athlone. Dito kami sa mall nila. Malaki yung mall nila dito. What are we gonna do? Meron silang H&M. Meron silang ano? Perfume shop. So, kailangan ko munang maglibot-libot dito kasi first time namin dito. Around the Athlone. Ito, naglalakad kami. Pupunta kami ngayon sa Ede Rockets. Kakain. Kain tayo. May river doon. Pupunta tayo dyan mamaya. Pero ngayon, kakain muna tayo. Walang hiyang mga tao dito, oh. Nagkalat. Gosh. Nagkalat dito. Ganyan talaga pag nasa city. Ang ganda, diba? Wait, is that a cherry? What's that? What's that?
What's what?
What's this?
I don't know what tree that is. A berry tree, huh?
Ah, berry. What did I say, Chair? So, yan naman. Kita nyo so far. Malalaki mga building nila dito. Kasi ang Athlone, malaki kaysa Monahan. Yan, may taxi sila dito. Ganyan yung taxi nila. Nandyan yung mag-ama ko. Maraming mga pati dito. Hello. Hello. Oh. Ay, maraming Pinoy dito kasi ayaw nilang makipag-usap sa akin. Akala siguro nila tayo ako. My love, let's go. It's red. Pick, pick, pick. Thank you. Yeah, Ede Rockets. We're here. Idol ng masa. You get in here. Thank you. Okay. Wow. Stop, listen. You wanna go in there? Sarah there?
This one here, it's included.
Yeah. Thank you.
Are you okay with going?
Yeah, take it.
Push over there, son. Hey, stay there.
Ito yung Ede Rockets nila ang pagkain. Here, I got a burger. Malaki. Chips at burger. Bacon burger. Nuggets for Nixon.
The matter self.
No, don't play the song. No, no. Kain. Eating, guys. Hi, guys. Naglalakad kami ngayon sa Athlone.
We're in Athlone. Very busy town.
What do you think of Athlone?
Very nice. Lots
Very
of
good.
shops.
Hello guys, dito na tayo sa malaking river nila. Eto, walang ano ano lang, special. Ito yung tower nila. Historic kasi. Malaki yung river. Tignan nyo kung nakikita nyo sa picture na ito. Malaki yung river na yun. Wow, ang ganda. For me, it's nice. Ano to? Tawag nito ay Shannon River. Napakalawak ng river na ito. Hanggang doon. Malayo pa. At ito, hanggang doon pa dyan. Yung mga building na yan, I think that is mga apartment. At dyan naman ay Radisson Blue. Why is blue brown? Ano siya? Parang dam sa atin. It's like a dam, no?
It's like a waterfall.
Small waterfalls.
Very dangerous.
Nixon, very dangerous,
Fall
baby.
in the ground, so you add the traps in there, see it now? Can't get out of that when you fall in there.
Why?
The water keeps keeping you in tight. The way it is here. It's a trap.
Really? That scares you.
Right down there at the bottom. Take it right. Drown you there.
Let's go back now. Sa park. Mahilig kasi siya sa park. Guys. May pagka-chismoso din tong mag-ama. May nag-aaway dito, guys. Dito lang tayo kasi baka nakikita nila ako nag-video. Nakakahiya naman. Nag-aaway dyan. Wag na. Hindi ko na iba-vlog. Sorry. Hi guys! Bahay na kami. Nandito na kami sa bahay ngayon. Kakauwi lang namin galing Athlone. Eto, pagod kami sa biyahe. At saka yung init, nakakapagod din sa amin. So, si baby ay pagod din si baby at si yung boyfriend ko nasa phone na. So, wala ring ganap dito sa bahay. Kailangan na namin prepare for bed. May pa dito, may still bright here in Ireland kahit na, what time is it? Oh, it's 10 to 7 na. So, kailangan na namin mag-sleep. Kahit na Sabado kasi kailangan na namin yung routine namin para sa baby. Yun, para kay baby kasi alam niyo na may school na. So, kailangan ko na siyang i-routine, ilagay sa routine yung niya, tulog niya. So, kailangan ko nang tapusin yung vlog ko, guys. Maraming salamat sa panunood at sana na-enjoy nyo ang videos ko. Kaya, magkikita na naman tayo sa susunod na video ko. I hope you like my videos. Again, don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. See you all next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Baby is tired. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, baby. Tired si baby sa biyahe. See you. Bye.